So what did we think of, we got back about an hour ago, do you think? There's loads of shops there, but lots of like toy shops and like a few gift shops and a few like underwear shops. There's a lot of underwear shops.
Sexy underwear.
Yeah.
You want to see what I bought?
I didn't recognise any names except Mango I may have seen before, but we didn't go in there, did we? But anyway, come back, had a quick drink, gone and changed now into our pool gear, and then we're going to go over to the water park, which is right opposite the hotel, and see what that's like. So there's the hotel, and literally here is the water park, which if you're all inclusive at this hotel, it's part of the deal. But I think you can pay if you're not staying at this hotel. There's the prices. Thank you. A few swimming pool accessories and things. Big pirate ship.
Hang on, baby, because I need to go round to this slopey bit to this way.
Cabanas. There's a lazy river over here as well, apparently. It must be over there.
Yeah.
But it looks quite good. I think it must be this bit that's the island, Nige, for where the lazy river is. Probably. Brooke, do you want to go on there? Come and see. Woohoo! That one's too big for you, I think, Brooke.